Here's a simple tutorial on how to add text or captions to a video. First, open CapCut on your phone and import the clip that you want the text to be in, as we learned in our previous video. Next, tap on text from the bottom menu and select Add Text. Type in the text that you want to put on. Once you're done, you can choose whichever font, style, or color of the text on the Style tab. If you want the text to be more complex, you can also edit the spacing, background, special effects, or even animations if you like. You can drag the text to adjust the position or size as you prefer. Once you confirm the text style, click the check mark on your right-hand side. You can also drag the text back and forth and adjust as on what part or timestamp of the video you want the text to be in. Now, enjoy editing. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe us for more helpful tutorials.